Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So we are back with another video. Okay, so with this video, guys, I want to sample out Estée Lauder. I've been eyeing the product for quite a while. It's very expensive, so I had to get sample first before I could buy anything. So the best way to get samples is get a sample that you can take home. So this is what they got me, and this is my shade, Sandalwood. So guys, if you want to test out a sample out a product, make sure that you have a sample that you can take home. The reason is you can wear this in in broad daylight for how many hours the product says. If they say it's a 24-hour product, make sure that you wear it for at least 12 hours to see how it reacts to your skin, to see it how it plays out in the sun, in a dark room. However way you can play around with it, you need to have a sample that you can take home so you can play with it, see how it reacts on your skin tone, and if the shade is something that you like. So with the Sandalwood, I've had like 2 samples before this one, and the one thing that I like about the Estée Lauder people is they not only give you a sample, but they test out on your skin as well. So they have this machine that they use to see what shade you are, and then from that machine they're going to give you the sample and then test it out again on your skin to see if it is the correct shade. So thank you, Estée Lauder. If this works out for this coming 24 hours, I'm definitely going to buy this product. I've saved up for it, and here we go. So first of all, you know what to do. We have to minimize our pores because your girl has a large pores, large pores. So I just focus again on my pores, which are besides my nose and my smile lines. Let's get into the foundation. So it's a liquid I feel like it's very runny actually. So I'm just going to take this and then dab it around my face. So as you can see, the foundation really did cover a lot of blemishes that I actually have, and the few drops that I put on my face covered my whole face. So really that small container could last you, I think, more than 5 applications if you don't use a lot of it. I'm going to use this Beauty Treats Color Obsession eyeshadow booklet. This is how it looks on the eye side. Beauty Treats, I think it's from Discam, so you guys can go and check this one out. So I'm just going to do the eyeshadow look. Let me just zoom in for you guys so you can see. So I'm also going to use this gel right here on the center of my eyes and spread it out as little as possible until it covers just the lid of your eye. Make sure you spread it out very thinly so you can build up on it. Once I feel like I like how the black eye gel liner is spread out, I am going to use the black eyeshadow, the matte black eyeshadow, and this helps me to set the eye gel liner so it doesn't move or try and go onto other parts of the eyelid.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about.
Okay guys, so this is my final look. I hope you guys like it, and I think this Estée Lauder makeup, it's actually quite nice, but it dries up very, not it dries up very quickly, but you can feel it like it's dry on your skin. So yeah, that is something else. But overall, I like the coverage, the fact that I can use so little and it covers my whole face. So it means the 600 is like, it's well thought of, like the 600 is going to go a long way. So I hope you guys like this makeup and you like the eyeshadow. I know on camera this black seems blue, but it actually is black. So yeah, I got these earrings from my mom, so we are doing something borrowed, but no, this is something given actually. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and if you did, please subscribe. You'll get more of these videos, and then please don't forget to like and comment in this comment section, and I'll try to put everything that I can in the description box of all the products that I've used but haven't said on camera, because I just wanted to focus on the Estée Lauder foundation, and your girl likes it. I like it very much. So guys, please come back for more and share this video with anyone who's thinking of buying the Estée Lauder product, especially the double wear foundation. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I hope you like it. I'll see you in my next one.